Good day everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. On today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to change story language on Wattpad. Kindly follow through. So, the first thing you're going to do is to open your Wattpad app. Once it's opened, you would click on the profile icon that is on the right corner of your screen, right top corner of your screen. Once you click on it, you would see the settings icon also at top right hand corner of the screen. Click on it. Once that is done, you scroll down and then you see preferred stories. Under it, you'd see language. That's our focus. You click on language. Then a list of languages will be displayed for you. Alright, any language of your choice whatsoever. Mine is currently on English because I prefer to use English to read the stories on English. Okay, so you can choose any language. Let's see, Espanol. Yeah, so once you click on the language that you want, automatically the language will be updated and then your stories will appear in that chosen language of your choice. I hope that is clear. Have a nice day.